Hey everyone, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. I have a pretty long day today. It's actually early in the morning. I'll be heading over to a school to help the company that I work for with an event. And then I have a bunch of meetings in the afternoon. And then I even have a late night talk at 8 p.m. Now, why am I sharing all of this? I wanted to share with you guys what my usual selection process is for situations like this, wherein I have a bunch of meetings, I have office, and what are the sneakers that I usually decide to wear? Like what I said, is situations like this. So this is kind of like my sneaker picks for the office kind of video. Let's go. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so. We are doing a giveaway for a Supreme body bag. Apart from that, we're also giving away, or we can possibly give away, a Nike Infinity React sneaker in your size. The links to both giveaways are in the description box. Watch the videos that are linked, and then you'll see the rest of the mechanics so you know what you need to do to be able to join. Good luck. So over here is one of the sneaker walls that I have here in my home. I have a couple actually, and three of the sneakers here, or four, are actually go-to for the office. These three sneakers are my main suspects. They are the Louis Vuitton trainers. This one is the OG color, which is the black and gray, number 54 at the back. Looks really nice, inspired by the Jordan 3. Works really well if you wear like gray pants or maybe like black pants. Really nice pair. This one is a more flexible, versatile white pair of kicks. Again from Louis Vuitton. It's the same line, but this is the second generation. So if you take a look at the back, it's different from the back of the OG. And I also ended up buying a black pair. So this is the black version of that same white pair of LV sneakers over here. Just so I have an option. So if it's a white sneaker kind of day, we go with this. If it's a black sneaker kind of day, we go with this. If it's a day where you want a little bit more, I don't know, like style, you can go with this one as well. This, though, is one of my all-time favorites. I've had this for the longest time now. This is the Ultra Boost Y3 Cozaro. So it works really well as an office sneaker because the upper is just all black and the boost is black and it looks sleek. The material mix from some sort of like mesh and then nubuck and then leather just makes it an all-around great office shoe. So it's also very minimalist because of the color. So again, that makes it versatile to go with any outfit. So this has been with me for the longest time now, and I really love wearing it for the office. Now this is the other sneaker wall, and obviously we have more options from designer brands. We have one of my favorite Prada sneakers over here that I got at a whopping 60% discount. Make sure that you buy stuff from designer brands when they go on sale. So this one looks expensive, but it is much more affordable than what it looks. We have my Hermenegildo Xenia like utility boot over here. More white sneakers, another pair of LVs. Now the sneakers that I showed you were mostly colored black or white. And at this point, I'd like to share with you guys two of my favorite brown leather sneakers that I usually wear when I go to the office or to events. One is from a brand called Saucony, and the other one is from New Balance. Now, the New Balance pair is pretty new. I just bought it yesterday, and what I want to do is I want to do like an unboxing episode right now with you guys for that sneaker. And then we'll go down to the studio to check out the Saucony pair because it's there, not here where I live. So yeah, let's go. Before we go out though and unbox the sneaker, let's pick our watch for the day. Now, as you guys can see, my fascination with Seiko has grown tremendously. We have the Zaku watch over here. It's a special edition Gundam collaboration. You have the Bape Seiko watch over here. We have the Bape Sumo. This is a really nice watch, which is Seiko and Subaru. I'm not sure if you guys know, but I'm a huge fan of Subaru. I have two Subaru cars, and I just had to get this watch. This is the Luminox Extra Large collaboration. This is the Seiko 5, one of the best watches, automatic watches that you can buy for under 10,000 pesos. This is a Shinola watch that I got from my good friend Bonat. So since I'm wearing black today, we might as well go with this one. So we're going with the Seiko Bape watch, which is a Japan exclusive. If you guys haven't seen my review on this one yet, I'll put a link down below. It's a really nice watch. Just check out the review that I did for this one. Again, the link can be found down below. Now, if sneakers have on feet, this is a wrist roll for watches. Ba-bam! Okay, so we're here in my living room where I have one of the newest sneakers that I bought that's perfect for the office. So this is actually the New Balance 991 made in England Elite Gent. So I bought this from New Balance over at New Balance BGC. At the same time, I bought the New Balance inspired the Dream Pack of Kawhi Leonard. I bought the 997S. So if you haven't seen my unboxing of the 997S inspired the Dream, the link to that can be found down below. Now, as you can see, it comes in this brown carton box. Says made in England since 1982. Not all New Balance sneakers are made in England. The special edition ones are made in either England or the US, but most of the sneakers are made here in Asia. Now, if you pop the box open, you have a really nice dust bag that says Elite Gent, and this is the actual sneaker. Ba-bam! Now, I just love this shoe. The Tito in me is just screaming in delight. Now, you have really high quality leather that they used. Different kinds, actually. The outer part is a little bit tougher, while the one in the inner part is a little bit softer to give you more breathability and flexibility. You have the New Balance logo, which is made from reflective material, as well as this part over here just above the toe box. You have flat rope laces in brown. You have that nice white midsole that New Balance has been using for their 990 series, which is super comfortable, black outsole, and just an all-around amazing sneaker. And at this point, I just have to show you guys this. My cat has been trying to invade. So, Rumfold. So this is Rumfold. These are Scottish Fold. And it looks like he wants to spend some time playing or just showing up on the vlog. And you know what's scary? He's actually literally sitting with his claws out on my Louis Vuitton bag, which is like 300,000 pesos. What are you doing? Well, anyway, so let's keep the unboxing going. So again, this is the New Balance Elite Gent. So it's actually written on the tongue tab. It says there Elite Gent embroidered in white, made in England in red, and then the 991 logo here at the back. So I just love brown sneakers for the office, and this arguably will make a great addition to the collection. Oh, by the way, comes with extra laces, this color, but I kind of prefer to keep it to the brown color. Just looks more what do you call this? Just looks more professional with the monotone like brown. Now what I'll do is I'll go down to the studio. I have one more pair of brown sneakers that I want to show you guys from a brand called Saucony, and it is one of the nicest leather brown sneakers that you guys can wear to the office, or it's something like a casual, smart casual kind of brown leather kick. So with that said, let's go down. Boom. So we're here at the studio where I'm starting to do most of the shoots for the YouTube channel. If you guys are curious as to what the entire studio looks like, I'm actually working on a studio tour video now that I'm almost done remodeling and furnishing the place. Now, I mentioned earlier I have another favorite brown leather sneaker that I wear to the office. This one goes really well with jeans. It's from Saucony, in collaboration with 24 Quilates Barcelona. So this, I think, I forgot their name. I think it's like the La Victoria, which is actually inspired by the ship that brought Magellan over from Spain all the way here to the Philippines, which led to, well, everything else that happened in the Philippines ever since that discovery. So I love the quality of the leather. I love the metal, like holes throughout it. Really gives you that ship feel if you're a fan of that. You have the exposed stitching. It comes with multiple colors of laces. You can go with the white one, there's a brown one, there's a red one, multiple colors. So depending on your mood, you can actually switch it up. This one launched in the Philippines at a very exclusive drop. So I think they only had like a couple of pairs, and it was released via Soul Academy. So this one, another one of my favorite go-to office sneaker pairs, especially if I'm wearing jeans. Now, obviously, you don't always have to wear expensive sneakers if you want to go to the office. That's not the prerequisite. I think ultimately it just has to be good quality, probably leather. You can go with Stan Smiths. You can go with even Gazelles. As long as they're quality leather, they're good, they should pass. Now, obviously, a lot of people are probably looking for Cole Haans in this list, and yes, The Cole Hand is the ultimate go-to sneaker of a lot of people when they go to the office. Nothing wrong with that. It is a smart, casual shoe. Looks fantastic, feels great as well. But for this list, I just wanted to change it up and share with you some of the sneakers that I actually wear going to work to give you guys an idea of what, I don't know, you probably would want to wear if you are going to an office like me. Now, to some sort of kind of end of vlog, I'm actually going to give a talk later tonight at an event over at Baked Studio. So they're a creative shop, and my topic is all about YouTube. And what I want to do for that particular episode, or for this particular episode, is to just share with you guys clips of the talk. And maybe that will, if you're interested in seeing what happens, then just, watch the rest of the video and you should see, well, what went down. Now, apart from that, let me know in the comment section what sneakers you guys prefer wearing to work. If you can wear sneakers, let me know down below. I'd love to hear from you. Also, quick reminder, if your office really doesn't allow it, don't force it. Because that's one thing you should be really aware of. What are the rules in your office? Is it really allowed? And if it's really allowed, then you can go ahead and do so. But if it's not allowed and it's really frowned upon, then I would suggest that you just invest in good pair of leather sneakers. There are a lot of comfortable ones, Cole Hand being one of the more popular brands that you can go to, which balances comfort and formality in some sort of way. But anyway, that's actually it for this part of the vlog. So I'll bring you guys over to the event over at Baked Studios. It'll be kind of a long fast forward from where we are now because it's still morning and the talk is in the evening. I won't show you anywhere what happens throughout the day. That might be boring for a lot of you. But yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. And once I resume this vlog, we'll be in Makati, Baked Studios for the talk on YouTube. Wow! Hey guys, so we're here at Baked Studios for the talk. Time check, it's almost like 9 o'clock in the evening. So right now, the first speaker is giving her speech, Joey, and then it will be my turn to give a talk on content creation and digital. Can I just say that this place looks friggin' amazing? Apparently, well, one of the owners and partners here is the guy behind the local streetwear brand Sneak Attack. So he actually gave me a nice hoodie, friends and family, which I'll unbox in a different episode, so watch out for that one. So at this point, I'll just I'll pause the vlog for a bit and then we'll have a couple of clips of me talking. But before anything, kaway naman kayo kay Mrs. Ang ganda. Wushu! O, diba? So yeah. You guys will get haters. You guys will get doubters and people who will say you're ugly, you're fat, you don't know what you're talking about. You will get a ton of hate. And you need to figure out how to deal with it. I personally enjoy my haters. And I keep on sharing this because the one thing that the algorithm of YouTube will always look at is engagement. Then I figured out one thing. If I say thank you to somebody who praises me on YouTube, they will not comment back. But if a hater says, Carlo, you're too old, blah, 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 replyan ko siya ng PI mo. So the algorithm shows what happens. High engagement goes viral. Oh, diba? So in short, I really love my haters. And I'm shooting this now. So sa lahat ng mga hater ko dyan, maraming salamat po. Nakabili kami ng misis ko ng kondo ko sa 4 3-bedroom penthouse dahil sa inyo. Mwah!